Really?
Yeah, just follow me. Hit it, Dave. Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
Hot diggity dog.
Yeah, now you're getting it.
That's great because Mickey Mouse Clubhouse is coming up on Playhouse Disney.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot diggity dog.
Hey, everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse? Well,
Come here, Layla.
all right, let's go.
Come here. She's like, I'm watching Mickey
Oh,
Mouse.
I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. Miska, Mooska, Mickey Mouse. Say it with me. Miska, Mooska, Mickey Mouse.
Say Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. Layla, come over here. Come here. She's like, no. She shouldn't be that close yet.
Daisy! Goofy! Here! Pluto! Minnie!
Mickey.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside.
Come here, baby. Come on, let's watch Mickey Mouse.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Mickey Mouse.
Minnie's Beast Story.
Welcome to our clubhouse.